Here's a quick AutoCAD tip for you. Imagine that you have some very long bars, like 10 or even 12 meters long, and you have difficulties to show them in full because maybe you don't have that much space. Well, we have a simple solution for that kind of problem. Just go into the modification panel, search for the length parameter, and after the initial value, type / and the length you want to see in centimeters. See? Another example. We have here a 12 meters long bar, and I just want to see 6 meters of it. And there you have it. Now your originally 12 meters long bar is just 6 meters in presentation. Oh, but don't worry. This will not interfere with the reinforcement extract. Let's generate one. See, the table contains the original length, not the presentation length. So 10 and 12 meters. So if you need more space, just type / after the length of your bars, and every straight bar will be shorter. Thanks for watching.